Brute force versus resonance. In modern physics, particles are created through brute force, smashing matter at near light speeds. But what if there's another way? This video explores a bold new theory, consciousness-structured field theory, or CSFT, by L.R. Caldwell. What creates a particle? Brute force physics. In quantum field theory, particles are not solid things. They're ripples in invisible fields. To create one, scientists inject massive amounts of energy. At CERN, for example, protons are hurled into each other at immense speed. The energy released excites quantum fields, creating temporary waves that behave like particles. That's how we discovered the Higgs boson, a ripple in the Higgs field. A proton accelerating into another proton in a collider, followed by energy release. The problem with force. But this method relies on brute force. It assumes energy must be pumped into a field to create anything meaningful. It also implies that consciousness, if it exists, is powerless unless tied to the brain. It's just along for the ride. But CSFT offers a different view. What if consciousness doesn't push, but structures? CSFT's resonance-based model. CSFT starts from a different premise. Consciousness is not a product of matter. It's primary. Instead of colliding particles, CSFT imagines the field as already active, ready to respond not to force, but to resonance. Like a tuning fork vibrating in harmony with another, consciousness shapes the field not by energy, but by structured coherence. Consider tuning forks. One begins to vibrate, then causes another nearby fork to resonate. Physics already hints at it. This isn't as far-fetched as it sounds. Physics already shows us that not all change requires force. Entanglement connects particles across space. Vacuum fluctuations appear from nowhere. Wave functions collapse without any known energy transfer. CSFT suggests these effects may be signatures of structured resonance. To CSFT, entangled particles, vacuum fluctuations, wave function collapse are all the result of structured coherence. A new frontier. Standard physics uses energy to make matter move. CSFT uses consciousness to make structure emerge. It's not brute force. It's resonance. And if CSFT is right, the future of science may lie not in smashing things apart, but in understanding how coherence gives rise to reality itself. Consciousness may be the structuring principle beyond the Planck boundary. L.R. Caldwell. Just maybe. Learn more at reasonandrealitypublishing.com. Author of Consciousness Beyond the Planck Boundary. More videos coming soon. Subscribe now.